vois, je n'ai rien oublié. Ma chambre est vide, je reviendrai. Un jour peut-être, un jour peut-être. Tu vois maman, tu m'avais dit, le jour où tu voudras partir, je te dirai simplement bonne chance à mon garçon.
Ebony and Ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on the piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? Side by side on the piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we?
Tell me his name, I want you know. The way he looks and where you go, and let you go, I'll let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I'll let you go now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken heart. It's undeniable that we should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say that I'll never. You're like a dream come true. Just wanna be with you. Girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And we did steps 1 through 3. Make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back at work. You're so hot, diesel me, so you're blue, but I can't take a chance on a chick like you. That's something I could do.
Well, I can dance with a honey if you think it's funny. There's another natural. And I can trust with a baby, fly a little baby. There's another natural.
Take it easy,
Better slow down, girl. There's no way to go. There's another no.
take it easy.
Take it easy, try to cool it, girl. Take it nice and slow. There's another no.
Laisse-les combats.
Non, tu n'as pas idée. Pourquoi verbaliser? L'ambiance est validée. Le terrain balisé. Laisse-les parler. Demain on aura zappé. Il est pas. Laisse-les coumas.
Laisse-les parler.
Laisse-les coumas. Laisse-les coumas.
Laisse-les parler.
Laisse-les coumas. Laisse-les coumas.
Laisse-les parler.
Laisse-les coumas. Laisse-les coumas.
Laisse-les parler. Cause your sky full of stars.